Kranti Prakash of semester 4th from AYJNISHT RC Kolkata, and I am presenting the topic Application of Mobile App as AAC System in Children with Communication Disability. AAC stands for Alternative and Augmentative Communication, and it is the use of materials or techniques that supplement existing verbal abilities. Alternative communication is communication methods used by a person without any verbal ability. Communication methods may include signs, symbols, iPad, computers, or any communication devices. Now, when to use AAC? It has no age prerequisite. As speech is developing, AAC won't stop a child talking. To support speech that is hard to understand, it can be used when no speech has developed. It can also be used as a tool for comprehension, can still use in conjunction with low-tech methods. It can be used in various places like in malls or while walking or running or while studying. Who can use AAC? It can be used by everyone and anyone. A communication disability does not just belong to the individual but belongs to the entire environment of which the individual is the focal point. What can we use as AAC? We can use low-tech devices, mobile device, battery operated static display or dedicated STD. AAC speech generating devices. Now let's talk about AAC speech generating devices. The first prototype was developed in the mid 1970s. Use started with children in the 2000s. Computer based production of communication boards, fixed versus dynamic displays, access modes vary. Voices can be digitized, synthesized, or human voice. Tablets change the game. Augmentative communication apps are a fraction of cost of a dedicated speech generating device. These are some apps that can be used as AAC, and further I'm gonna tell you and discuss about one of these AAC device or apps that can be used for children. So these are some apps that can be used as AAC. Now we're gonna discuss about Nikitalk. This app can be found on Play Store as well as Apple Store. And this app is quite user friendly and very helpful for a child to use, and it is also very easy to understand for a child. An adult can also use this app as it has few features or various features that can be used by both children and adults. Now let me show you how the app can be used as an AAC. As you can see, there are 4 icons. First, I want, second, I am, third, keyboard, and fourth, brush, which is the child or anyone can draw something here. Now the first icon, I want, it can be used for like to express a need of a child or an adult. Second, I am, it can be used to show emotion or what the child or an adult is feeling. Third, a keyboard, the child or basically an adult can type anything that he wants to say to anyone. Now let me show you how we can use this app. If you tap on that I want icon, the app will show you various things like eat, drink, play, go, watch TV, sleep, bath, or people. So if a child wants to go somewhere, then he will have to tap on go
to go.
And then, for example, if he wants to go bathroom, then he have to tap on bathroom.
To the bathroom.
And to say this as a complete sentence, there is an icon on top right which is of yellow color here. If you tap on that icon, the app
to go
will
to the bathroom.
Speak I want to go to the bathroom, which is quite interesting. Now I am. It can be used to show your mood or emotions. Like if a child is tired, then I'm tired. If a child is angry, then I'm angry. So that's how it can be used. Now this keyboard icon, if anyone wants to say something which is not included in this list, then he can just type like, I want a biscuit. Done.
I want a biscuit.
And then as you can see, there is an icon on top left, a speaking icon. If you tap on that icon,
I want a biscuit,
then the app will say I want a biscuit. Now I recommend this app for children because of this fourth icon. As you can see, there is a whiteboard, and here a child can draw anything which will keep him busy or keep interesting in that app. He can also draw anything if he wants, like if he wants a biscuit, then he can just draw a biscuit or a cookie with choco chips or anything. It also has various colors so that it keeps child busy, or he can also draw something else in this area. So I highly recommend this app for children, and it is a very useful app as an AAC for children. Thank you.